Hello, this video is an installation guide for ArcGIS Desktop 10.5. ArcGIS Desktop is of 3 different levels: Basic, Standard, Advanced. Each successive level has its new capabilities with the functionality of the previous level. Now each level comes with 2 different types of licenses: single use and concurrent. The installation process depends on the type of license the user has. Prior to start installations, systems requirement must be checked. You can go to this link and check all the systems requirements required by ArcGIS Desktop 10.5. The installation process is divided into the following steps. Basic installation of the software is mandatory. Then the process follows as per the license a user has. For users having single-use license, ArcGIS Administrator will be pre-installed, followed by the authorization using single-use license key. For the users having concurrent use license, License Manager installation is required, followed by an authorization using concurrent use license key. Let's start with the installation process. Locate your software setup in your local machine. Here is the ArcGIS Desktop 10.5 setup. Right-click, Run as Administrator. Here we need to give the proper path where the package should be extracted. Click Next. Now the files have been extracted. Click Close. ArcGIS Desktop 10.5 setup dialog box will appear. Click Next. I accept. Click Next. Click Complete. Next. Next. Click Next. Click Install. Here installation of ArcGIS Desktop 10.5 is started. Now this process may take some time depending on your system's configurations. ArcGIS Desktop 10.5 has been installed. Click Finish. ArcGIS Administrator Wizard will appear by default, but if it doesn't, then we can go to Start, ArcGIS folder, ArcGIS Administrator. Click Yes. Here we can access ArcGIS Administrator Wizard. Here first we have to select the product that we have. So I'll be starting with Advanced ArcInfo Single Use. Click. Then Authorization Wizard. Click Authorize Now. Here we have 3 options for authorization. We'll go with the first one. I have installed my software and need to authorize it. 3 authorization methods appear. We'll go with the first one. Authorize with Esri now using internet. This method requires internet connection. Click Next. Here we will fill in all the authorization information. Click Next. Your organization. Select the appropriate details. Click Next. Here we'll give the single use authorization key that is available with us. This is the dialog box for the software extensions that a user can have. You can fill the authorization number for each extension. If you do not have, go with the first option. Click Next. Evaluate the software extensions that you have and click Next. Congratulations, your software has been authorized and is now ready for use. Click Finish. In ArcGIS Administrator, we can check the availability. Here we can check the availability of the software that we have installed. Click OK. Click OK. Now we can finally open ArcMap. And here we can see it is running smoothly. Till now, we are done with single-use license installation procedure. For the users having concurrent use license, a separate methodology has to be followed. In concurrent use license, one license key installed on a license server is shared by many client systems. Therefore, after basic installation process, to make a system as a license server, installation of license manager is required on that system. We are going to install license manager in this system to make it as a license server. This is the setup for license manager. Run as administrator. Give the proper path where your package will be extracted. Click next. All the files have been extracted. Click close. ArcGIS License Manager 10.5 setup will appear. Click next. I accept. Click next. Click next. Click install. ArcGIS License Manager has been installed. Click finish. ArcGIS License Server Administrator wizard will open. Here go to Authorization. Select the version 10.1 to 10.5. Click Authorize Now. Select the first option in Authorization Options, and for product to be authorized, ArcGIS Desktop. After clicking Next, for authorization method, select the first option, Authorize with Esri, now using Internet. Click Next. Fill in all your details. Click Next. Choosing the appropriate details, click Next. Here we have to fill our concurrent use license key and the number of licenses to be used. After that, click Next. If you want to authorize any extensions, fill in the details. Otherwise, go with the first option. Click Next. Congratulations. Click Finish. Here we can ensure that the license server status is running properly. Click OK. In concurrent use, client systems have to fetch license from the license server by providing its IP address. For this, ArcGIS Administrator wizard has to be opened. Click Desktop. Here, select the product that we are using, Advanced Concurrent Use. And here we have to provide the IP address. Click Change. After providing the IP address of the license server, click OK. Click Apply. OK. Now open ArcMap. Now we can see ArcMap is running smoothly.